This is my calendar puzzle. So these are the months from January to December. These are the dates. You can buy this from Amazon, but they are made by wood. And these are the dates. And when you want to put a tile away, well, this is a puzzle. You just play it. You try to make out the date. Leave the date and the month open accordingly to the dates that we want it to become. And when you want to put it away, you can just put it into the belly. And shake it. The calendar puzzle, Perpetual calendar puzzle. And after I made this one, I realized I can use this as a pencil pouch.